What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we got this beautiful Cayman GTS. Client just picked it up from the dealer, brought it straight to us in for full front-end PPF and window tints. We already did 25% window tints and we're just gonna go ahead and wash it, clay bar it, do basically all the decon steps, polish it and PPF it. So stay tuned.
Everybody gon' rally, we cool when I'm out. When I argue, I'm here and ignore. 2019, they don't care about my music. Now niggas gon' huddle, they know I'm a score. She wanna love, but Lil' Shawty is crazy, so it's only right that we stop at Dior. See in the paper, I know that it's coming, but I never rush cause I need me some more. Y'all nigga been in this break and she told me come over so she can go give me a tour. I just be chill with the girls cause I'm working, but when they get up, I'ma have them galore. No, we ain't doing no running, pull up and stop talking. These niggas be faking the war. You can never have too much of the guala, I gotta go out cause I need me some more. Put all the trust in myself cause I did everything with this rap by myself from the start. Niggas was hating on me on Mills Park, so I stayed up with rap 3 AM in the dark. Why people say that I'm changing, I guess people really don't know me. It's scars on my heart. No, I wouldn't change, I've been rapping since she's a dream about Grammys and reaching the charts. Playing my part, need a hoodie, chrome hard. Niggas won't see me down, but I'm playing it smart. Had to tighten some strings like I'm playing guitar. When I go up, I'll be changing the cars. I got grand on the beat, going hard on these niggas. Not worry, can never be dodging these niggas. He 12, so I'm calling him Stockton, little nigga. Just focus on getting my pockets way bigger. Everybody gon' rally, we cool when I'm out. When I argue, I'm here and ignore. 2019, they don't care about my music. Now niggas gon' huddle, they know I'm a score. She wanna love, but Lil' Shawty is crazy, so it's only right that we stop at Dior. See in the paper, I know that it's coming, but I never rush cause I need me some more. Y'all nigga been in this break and she told me come over so she can go give me a tour. I just be chill with the girls cause I'm working, but when they get up, I'ma have them galore. No, we ain't doing no running, pull up and stop talking. These niggas be faking the war. You can never have too much of the guala, I gotta go out cause I need me some more.
Bad, bad, bad. Just a bad, bad, bad. Yeah. Don't chase a bitch, just chase a bag. Bet you know I got it like that. Got the memo, then I got right on my ass. She don't know how to act. She said we the realest, that's a fact. We already knew you never had to ask. That shit, I need a bag. A bad, bad, bag. Running to the top and we refuse to come in last. I just got my style, now the shit been running wild. Best believe that if I lose it, I'ma go and get it back. Okay, stay up at the top, yeah, that's the mission. Shit, they told me take a break, but I don't fuck with intermission. Went and did it on my own, cause I don't like to ask permission. First they clown me, now they listen. Guess they win and switch positions. Yeah, shit, bitch, I'm off it. Never had this shit so quick that telling me to stop it. I don't fuck with people playing games, go buy a block it. That's enough the competition, fix it up and chop it. Used to doing shit like this, yeah, bitch, I do it often. And I got it started right. She said she wanna go out, I said tell me what you like. I've been with the gang and I know they gon' fuck with me for life. Once a bitch slapped me, then I started getting right. Don't chase a bitch, just chase a bag. Bet you know I got it like that. Got the memo, then I got right on my ass. She don't know how to act. She said we the realest, that's a fact. We already knew you never had to ask. That shit, I need a bag. A bad, bad, bag. Running to the top and we refuse to come in last. I just got my style, now the shit been running wild. Best believe that if I lose it, I'ma go and get it back. So why you worry about what I got in my pocket? On your ass, boy, get up off it. I've been needing space, shit, finna take off like a rocket. I don't really need to wait. If I want it, then I got it. I can never be replaced. Can't tell why you ever thought it. Bitch, I'm too great, you a little too